Is that?
Yeah, it is.
May I?
Yeah, okay.
Neodymium magnets. More satisfying than I could have ever imagined. Is it comfortable?
Very. It's stretchy, and I don't have to adjust it every time I put it on.
Wow. Looks and sounds incredible.
I know.
Can I try?
Sure, go ahead. Why are these people so interested in my belt? Because the Groove Life belt is the best belt ever invented. And I know that's how all these ads start. Are you tired of your leather belt not having enough holes? Or your ratchet belt having no flex or give?
I can't breathe!
But normal belts have problems. So we at Groove Life solved those problems by creating the world's most comfortable, cool, practical belt ever with magnets.
My macchiato.
See, traditional belts are in constant need of adjustment. You adjust because it feels too tight. Right down the middle. You adjust when it's too loose, too stiff, too high, too low, too small. But what if you could adjust your belt just once? The Groove Belt's webbing has a 5% elastic blend that allows you to get stuff done without the pinch of traditional leather or nylon. And they come with a thin, compact buckle in a variety of stylish designs. Yeah. Oh yeah, that one's perfect. The Groove Belt buckle is made with extremely lightweight aluminum alloy and connects with high-strength, rare earth neodymium magnets. Just listen to that snap. It's satisfying. One more time. Never gets old. Groove Belt is designed with frictionless removal for those times seconds count getting your belt off.
Hubby, are you coming to bed?
But let's be real, that feature is also handy for less romantic reasons. The Groove Life belt is literally the best belt in the entire world.
It's the best belt in the world.
Best belt in the world.
Can't stop doing this.
It's the best belt in the world.
It's the best belt in the world.
You want to snap on the world's best belt ever? Go ahead, I won't stop you. Just head on over to Kickstarter and back the Groove Life belt for the best price you're ever gonna get. Yeah, go ahead, do it now. I don't know if you're waiting for something like exciting or funny to happen, it won't. I'm waiting for you to head over to Kickstarter and back the Groove Life belt. Do yourself a favor. Buy 2, buy 10, buy 1 for your grandma. She might like it. It's getting kind of awkward, isn't it? Okay, I'm gonna go, and then you're gonna head over to Kickstarter, right? And back the Groove Life belt. Okay, deal? Awesome, bye.
Gaining weight, losing shape, looking and feeling older than you really are. Experts agree, resistance training is the best way to get lean and fit. But who has time to visit the gym? And free weights are big, bulky, and can even injure you. Introducing the OYO Personal Gym, the proven way to transform your body with Spiroflex technology.
The OYO Personal Gym. This one piece of equipment provides the same benefits as all these weights. Just add flex packs rated at 5 or 10 pounds by snapping them on like this. Spiroflex resistance isn't jarring like free weights, but I can really feel the resistance. Look at the muscles firing in my arms.
Used by NASA astronauts on the space station, Spiroflex creates resistance without weights. And the OYO Gym's double flex activation provides 2 exercises in each movement, building a balanced body in less time. With the OYO Personal Gym, you can now fit fitness into your lifestyle to achieve a lean, sculpted body in the convenience of your own home. Fitting in an exercise break at the office, while traveling, walking on a treadmill, or even outdoors.
I didn't expect maybe the resistance to be quite as tough as it was. So you're able to fire many muscle groups at once, and I can squat and do a chest fly, chest squeeze. You're just able to do endless amounts of exercises.
As we age, we lose bone and muscle. We start to stoop, and the aches and pains begin. That's why strength training is so important. It's the key to living a full life that allows you to keep pursuing your passions. Meet Andy. With the OYO Personal Gym, he's turned back the clock and can continue to compete in his favorite pastime. Full of energy, strong, limber, and free of pain.
With the OYO Personal Gym, I've not only increased my muscle, but I've increased my flexibility. So I lost 17 pounds and I gained muscle mass. I have it next to me at my desk at work. I have it in my golf bag. I use it at the driving range to warm up with, to stretch with. It comes everywhere. I use it all day long. It really helped me in my golf game. It's lowered my scores. I outdrive all my friends by 20, 30 yards.
The OYO Gym strengthens and shapes your chest, back, arms, core, and legs. And we know it works. A 16-week NASA study proved that Spiraflex resistance increased muscle strength and size as much as working out with free weights.
When I returned to Earth after using Spiraflex technology almost every day over 6 months, I was physically stronger in every test.
The OYO Personal Gym is different. First of all, because it's serious. It really works. It's so intuitive. You squeeze and you pull. And as long as you're paying attention to your body, you're going to see results.
Spiraflex builds lean muscle, and the more lean muscle you have, the faster you'll burn fat.
I lost 21 pounds in 10 weeks. I went from size 36 to size 34, which I haven't worn since college.
Are you sitting there watching me right now, and a voice inside your head is saying, I know I need to do something about my weight now? The OYO Personal Gym is the answer you've been waiting for to get in the best shape of your life.
If I'm on the go, at home, can't get to the gym, weather's bad, I need to get a workout going on inside my home, this is where I'm going to go to.
Mostly, it's challenged me in the aspect I don't have excuses not to work out.
Now it's your turn to lose weight, look younger, get stronger, and feel amazing with the OYO Personal Gym. You'll get a free membership in the OYO Fitness Club that includes our premium workout programs, including Nick's 10-week challenge. Act now and also receive 25 pounds of resistance. You'll also receive the leg and door attachments, a wall chart showing all of Nick's 75 total body exercises, and a nutritional guide that shows you how to lose weight while still enjoying the foods you love. The OYO Gym has been torture tested and built to last with commercial-grade high-strength polymer and nylon-coated stainless steel cables. You get a 3-year, no-questions-asked warranty. Experience the OYO Personal Gym for 30 days. If you don't love it, send it back for a full refund. There's no risk. Order the OYO Gym right now and achieve your health and fitness goals with the same proven fitness technology used by NASA astronauts on the space station.
Let's go, OYO!
Hi, I'm Iran, industrial designer and plant lover. I've spent the last 3 years researching and testing materials, plants, and prototypes to create a living, breathing product. Meet the terraplanter. My mission was not only to design a beautiful piece, but a solution that overcomes the 2 main reasons plants die: underwatering and overwatering. Terraplanter overcomes these deadly scenarios. In addition, it doesn't need soil. Only water. It's that easy. Water goes inside the vessel, and the plant grows on the outside. The structure of the material is solid, yet porous. Water is slowly diffused through it and is held by the cells, giving the plant time to drink. These cells are also the perfect home for seeds. Simply spread seeds into the cells and watch them come to life. We designed this microtexture to provide extra grip for the plant roots to hold on tight. And since the roots are on the surface, they have constant access to both water and air. You can even reuse the terraplanter as many times as you like. It's the next generation of the planter, and it opens up a whole new world of growing options. You can rub spores onto the surface, wrap a climbing plant around it, use rubber bands to mount plant roots onto the surface, or cover it with seeds of your choice and just let life happen. The plant and the terraplanter become one. We need your help to bring the terraplanter to life. Join us.
Dear Nature, sometimes we pledge you our support. Sometimes we share our concerns too. But then, that's all we do. But now, no more waiting. It's time to PICO. A tiny farm that fits in your palm. PICO is your self-watering, self-lit companion that takes care of plants. Yep, it actually grows plants and herbs for you. It gives your plants the power of the sun and grows along with them. It waters itself, so you don't have to. That means no more guesswork. PICO lets you be a little lazy, but a whole lot more responsible. Done, done, and done. So, the next time you want to show your support, why don't you just stick it, hang it, or place it on pretty much every surface around you. Dear nature, welcome home.
There are lots of ways to cook on a sheet pan, but they're often wasteful or messy, and not everything takes the same amount of time to cook. We knew there had to be a better way. Introducing cheat sheets, a completely new approach to sheet pan cooking. Oven-safe non-stick silicone dividers that will streamline your cooking and divide your ingredients to make one-pan meals a breeze. With cheat sheets, you can separate your foods by cooking time, so that you can easily remove ingredients when they're ready and never overcook them again. We've also created an easy timing guide, so you'll get great results every time. They're also perfect for meal prep, letting you cook all of your ingredients with better control and greater efficiency, and buying multiple sets lets you mix up your meal prep and keep it interesting. But it's not all about healthy eating. You can also have fun baking your favourite desserts, and because you can separate flavours, you can easily please even the pickiest of eaters. And the best part, cheat sheets are zero waste and naturally non-stick, so you'll never have to scrub another sheet pan again.
Hi, Chris here from Prepped. We are so excited to be back on Kickstarter with our 4th product. We created cheat sheets to reinvent sheet pan cooking and make it easier and more enjoyable to cook in the oven every single day. We've already started tooling, but we need your help to move into production. So please back us and let's make home cooking better together.